Alright, so today we'll be reviewing Wednesday the 31st of January 2024. Alright, now today is, Wednesday 31st was for Fomc at 6. Alright, so price, usually on such days, price has very off, you see very off movement on price. We see a lot of wicks, we see a lot of uncommitted movement, so it's not committed to moving to any one side. So I'm just going to run through all three pairs and then we see how it went. So starting with Euro card, this was Tuesday, so this is Wednesday. Realize that price did not trigger Tuesday's low, but went all the way up. It didn't go very one spike and then it kept trickling all the way till it got there. Okay, so let's zoom in and see how things looked on Euro card. So price went all the way down, didn't cross this, reversed, and then started going upwards. So all by this time I consider it an inside day, so I don't have a bias. I just had to keep watching. And for anyone who would be trading session levels, might have a buy bias after price goes above this. Okay, and you see the way price has so many wicks. Even if you were to take a buy on this pattern, you would have really sweated, unless maybe you had you made allowance for spread. You might even have been taken out. Okay, so many wicks. The moment it got to this, it just bounced back, came back again, another huge wick again, and then started going all the way down. So it wasn't really a pleasant day to take trades on Euro card. And then on USD card, we are seeing sorry about that. We are seeing that price was also inside, so it didn't trigger this, it just kept playing, all the way inside, and then a huge drop on around 130. Just a huge drop. I think there was certain news on the dollar around that time. Just a huge drop. There wasn't any particular reason for me to go in on this trade. I would have considered this a bearish, but this candle was 1-2 wide, 2 was on news, so I didn't touch it. And then for this also, it was too close to my daily low, and they even go below it, so I just ignored it in so many weeks. Realize that price isn't the way I usually see it, or the way I like to see it to take an entry, so nothing on this also. And then for pound USD, this was my low, this was my high, also an inside day. Now in pound USD was a bit interesting because there was a weekly level within that time, and one might have taken this as a trade. I didn't, because of this huge wick. It looked as it portrays indecision of price, because I see one huge wick down, I see one huge wick up. So it's like price is indecisive. Most often you might enter into a range with this. So I let this trade go. It went up, came all the way down again. So if someone hadn't taken his profits, he would have lost it all again. And then price came up, give another wick with this particular pattern. But as I said, too many wicks for me, one, and then also we are in an inside day, so no, not for me. So realize that even though price is going up, it has a lot of huge wicks, each and every time, all the way to the apex here. Very, very interesting price action. So Fomc at 7. So that's the way things looked on pound USD. Tomorrow, Thursday, might be a more normal day, and then Friday NFP. So basically this week is you see a lot of interesting things this week, and when things settle, you might have better trade opportunities coming in the next week. So see you.